Example 6. The inverse of the matrix 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 is. First of all, how to find inverse? If the given matrix is A, then A inverse is equal to, formula is adjoint A by det A. So we need to find det A and adjoint of a matrix both. Say for example, the given matrix is A, let it be A. First I am finding det A, det of 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Expanding the det, first element 0 into something 0 minus 1 into 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 0 0 plus third element 0 into something 0, so we are getting minus 1 here. Next we need to find adjoint. To find adjoint we need to find the cofactor matrix. For that, so one short way of finding the cofactor matrix, starting from the middle element 0, next 0 1, again 0, next 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, next 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, again repeat the top row again 0 0 1 0. Now we get cofactor matrix of A first. Cofactor matrix of A is equal to, take all 2 by 2 determinants, 0 into 1 0 minus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 0 0, next 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0 minus 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0 minus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 1. So what we get here, 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1. This is cofactor matrix. Now adjoint. Adjoint of a matrix is transpose of the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix of A whole transpose. That means take the transpose of this matrix, writing rows as columns. First row as first column 0 minus 1 0, second row as second column minus 1 0 0, third row as third column. Now finally A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. So 1 by, first I am writing det A, that is minus 1. So matrix 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1. So multiplying by minus sign 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this is the inverse of the matrix. I think we got the same matrix again. So this is the way of finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. First find det A. After that, take one pattern to find the cofactor matrix directly. That means you start from the middle element 0 0 1 0, come down 0 1 0 0, go up 1 0 0 1. Again what we have written in the top, repeat that. After that cofactor matrix directly we are getting don't add any additional signs, everything will be included here. Just you need to take all 2 by 2 determinants and write row wise. After that, take the transpose of the matrix, you will get adjoint, then finally A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A.